Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Without cake, we cannot imagine of Christmas, and here comes an entirely different tasty Christmas cake. Pumpkin and granadilla fruit cake. This cake has a unique taste which tempts you to give a non-stop trial. It is moist and will give you a perfectly balanced flavor. Start with line an 8-inch or 9-inch pan with butter paper or grease it with ghee and spread some flour and keep that aside. Here in this video we are showing you how to use a disposable plate which you can get online. The link for buying it will be given in the description box. Here comes our ingredients. The fruits we used are given here and please read the instructions for knowing in detail. The ingredients are fruits which are soaked in sugar syrup for 2 to 3 weeks, that should be 2 to 3 cups, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs which are in room temperature, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of unsalted softened butter, then little dates and cashew nut for garnishing and 1 small piece of pumpkin. In between, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Fruit cake. Every year at Christmas it shows up. People give fruit cakes as gifts and this year it will reduce due to the pandemic. But whatever it is, love it or hate it, fruit cake never goes away. And here we bring you a unique recipe of a fruit cake which gives a delicious and crispy bite as you enjoy. Try this at home and no doubt you will love it. Other ingredients are 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, little salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. The pumpkin has to be sliced into pieces like this. In a medium bowl, heat all fruits together over moderately high heat till it boils, stirring occasionally. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't want too much of sugar, avoid this. The seeds you see here are of passion fruit and granadilla. To know what is granadilla, please click on the link given in the description box below. Except for pumpkin and granadilla, all other fruits were kept in the sugar syrup for 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. Since it has started to boil, now we can add little cardamom powder. Keeping the fruits in sugar syrup for 2 to 3 weeks gives a better taste for the cake. Now keep this aside to cool. Into a bowl add 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and whisk it using an electric egg beater or hand mixer. Add 1 cup of sugar. One cup brown sugar. You can add 2 cups of brown sugar instead of adding the white sugar. This is more healthier. But adding white sugar will give a better taste. Three eggs which are kept in room temperature. One by 4 cup of homemade wine. This is optional. For Christmas, cake and wine will always be there, right? Now add cinnamon powder, baking soda, salt and vanilla essence. Here I have used vanilla essence powder. You can use liquid also. Add half portion of flour and mix with spatula until just combine. For making a cake, this is the main portion of making the batter. Take care not to overmix. Overmixing will not help in giving a good textured cake. Add the remaining flour and mix. Coming to the end for few seconds using a beater, just combine. This is for avoiding any lumps, if any. Now for the most attractive part, we are going to add the fruit mixture which we kept aside. After adding it, just combine it using the spatula. As I said earlier, take care not to overmix. If you liked our recipe, please share it with your family and friends and click on the like button if you liked it. Since this is a fruit cake, we cannot avoid dates and cashew nut. Adding almonds will also be good. Kept little remaining for garnishing purpose. The batter is ready. Remember to preheat the oven beforehand to 360 Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Since the ingredients given here are for a 2 kg cake, transfer half the batter into the disposable plate which is for 1 kilo and the remaining into the 8-inch pan which is greased with ghee. This is also 1 kilo cake. Using the disposable plate will be more easier if you want to gift it to someone. Up to remove the air bubbles. If air bubbles are there, this also will affect the texture of the cake. Bake this in the preheated oven for 30 to 45 minutes or till the fork or skewer comes out clean. Please note that the temperature of our oven will vary according to the oven used. See, our cake is ready. It's really soft and moist. Normally, fruit cakes are tastier when you eat it like that, but this cake is more tastier with a small layer of frosting. Keep watching to see a very simple method of decorating without piping bags. Now, unmold the cake which was in the pan and transfer it to a serving platter. We are really getting excited to show you something new and simple. See, here comes our pumpkin granadilla fruit cake. It looks tasty, right? Keep this for cooling. Frosting, here we are using whipping cream. For making the whipping cream, please click on the link given in the description box. There we have given in detail how to make the whipping cream. We can do the frosting using cream cheese frosting, which is also tastier, and we will be uploading one in the coming days. Now do as shown here and spread it very gently. A very small layer of the frosting will be enough for this fruit cake. See, there is no need of any icing table for doing this. Very simple. Using the back of a spoon, we can make designs like this. It's just amazing, right? See, it's becoming attractive, just like waves on a beach. Garnish the top with dates and nuts. Here you can also use pista, badam or whatever you like. Pumpkin and granadilla fruitcake is so delicious, moist and fruity, which makes a great base for a celebration like Christmas. You can also use it for other celebrations. Now for designing the cake we made in the disposable plate. It's easier to make on the disposable plate because if you want to gift it to someone, you can give it like this itself. There is no need of unmolding it and keeping it in another box. Same way we are designing it. Very simple, no need of using any piping bags, right? See the way it's coming out, so attractive. After that, garnish it with dates and nuts. For giving it a more attractive look, sprinkle colored dust. Here we have used purple color and we garnished the top of this cake with a piece of pumpkin to let all know that it's a pumpkin cake. The color dust is available in the market or online. This is one of our masterpieces. Don't you want to try this? It's really tasty, especially with a slight crispy taste here and there. This is because of passion fruit. Look at its texture, from that you can make it out. Best consumed within 3 days and can be kept in the fridge for 7 days. Do try our recipe and give us your feedbacks. It encourages us a lot. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.